myself Elkezara Vidyapeeth Kolhapur, and today we are going to learn chapter 3 HCF and LCM. Students, we have learned in previous lecture about how to find prime factors. Prime factors means factors which are only prime numbers. Prime numbers means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. लक्षात ठेवा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो की आपण फक्त प्राइम नंबरनेच भाग घालवायचा आहे. कोणत्याही संख्येला फक्त प्राइम नंबरनेच आपण भागायचा आहे. Today we are going to learn about GCD. GCD means G means greatest, C means common and D means divisor. Greatest common divisor. That means greatest means highest, common means common and divisor means factors. Highest common factors, that is HCF. We have learned about HCF in previous time. That is GCD is equal to HCF. Students, let us find HCF by prime factors method. Let us find the HCF of 24 and 32. First, we have to factorize these numbers first. So let us find factors of 24. We have to divide by only prime numbers. First prime number is 2 and 24 is divisible by 2. So divide 24 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now divide 12 by 2. 2 6s are 12. Now divide 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is not divisible by 2. So second prime number is 3. It is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. These are factors of 24. Now factors of 32. 32 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 16s are 32. Again 16 is also even number, it is divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16. Now 8 is also even number. 2 4s are 8. Now 4 is also divisible by 2. 2 2s are 1 and 2 is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. These are factors of 32. Now while calculating HCF, write the factors of 24 and 32. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And factors of 32 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now find the common factors. HCF is equal to common factor 2. Right here 2. Again 2. 2. Third factor is also 2. 2. Now there are no common factor anymore. So HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 8 is HCF of 24 and 32. Now let's find the HCF of 10, 15 and 12 by horizontal method. First, find the factors of 10. 10 is equal to 2 into 5. Now, factors of 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So, factors of 15 are 3 into 5. These are both are prime numbers, so these are prime factors. Now 12 is equal to 2 into 6. Now factors of 6, 2 into 3. These are factors of 12. Now let us find common factor, that is HCF. See here, 2 into 5, 3 into 5, 2 into 3. What is common factor in between 10, 15 and 12? There is no common factor in three numbers. So which is HCF? When there is no common factor, the common factor is 1. So HCF is 1. Students, let us find HCF of 16, 12 and 36 by a new method. It is also a vertical method. We write all these numbers in one line and now we are going to factorize them. First, 16, 12 and 36 are even numbers. So these numbers are divisible by 2. Now divide 16 by 2. We will get answer 30. 2 30 are 60. Now divide 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12. Now divide 36 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 36. We will get answer 18. Now these are also even numbers. These numbers are divisible by 2. Again divided by 2. When we divide 30 by 2, we get answer 15. When we divide 6 by 2, we get answer 3. When we divide 18 by 2, we get answer 9. Now, these are all even numbers. These numbers are divisible by 3. So, divide these numbers by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Now, is there a common divisor of these three numbers? No, there is no common divisors of these three numbers. So, these are common divisors of 60, 12 and 36. Now, let's calculate HCF. HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 is HCF of 60, 12 and 36. Next method is the division method for finding the HCF. Let's find the HCF of 144 and 252 by division method. First, divide the bigger number by the smaller number. First, let us divide the bigger number by the smaller number. 144. Ones are 144. Remainder is 108. Now divide the previous divisor. Means the previous divisor means 144 by this remainder. Write the divisor here, 144. Now divide 144 by 108. The quotient is 108. Now the remainder is 36. Now divide 108 by this remainder 36. 108. When we divide 108 by 36, we will get answer 3. 36 3s are 108. Now the remainder is 0. This is the answer of 36. HCF of 144 and 252 is 36. Here is one example. Reduce 209 upon 247 to its simplest form. To find the simplest form, we have to find first HCF of these two numbers. Let us find the HCF first by division method. When we divide 247 by 209, we will get answer 1. 209 ones are 209. Remainder is 38. Now, divide 209 by 38. We will get answer 5 and remainder is 19. Again, divide 38 by this remainder. 19 to the 38. Remainder is 0. Now the HCF of these two numbers is 19. So let's find the simplest form. Simplest form is here 209 upon 247. These two numbers are divisible by 19. So divide these two numbers by 19. We will get answer 11 upon 13. This is a simplest form of 209 upon 247.